Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Huawei P50 Pocket. First of all, go into Play Store on Nokia and App Gallery on Huawei. Then type in Send Anywhere on the search bars and install this free app from this developer. Then choose Open. I already did that on Nokia because it was taking forever to download, so I can open it right away. And from this screen over here, just I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Huawei. And now you need to select Send on Nokia and Receive on Huawei smartphone. Following that, tap on all of... misclick, come on. Click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Huawei, choosing Allow only way in use or Allow only this time and point our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!